Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neng Rizky Fitria Rahayu with student registration number 2206041 at PGSD, Faculty of Education at the IKIP Siliwangi campus. Here, I will explain the content of the learning tools that have been written and created by Siska Indriani in the form of teaching modules for English for academic purpose. Student identity, name, Rizky Fitria Rahayu, Class B2 Non-Regular, PGSD Studi Program, Faculty of Education, IKIP Siliwangi. Material that will be discussed is number 1, general information. Number 2, content of the module. Number 3, learning objective. Number 4, main component. Number 5, learning activities. Number 6, assessment. Number 7, teacher and student reflection journal. The last, conclusion. Here, I will explain the content of the learning tools that have been written and created by Siska Indriani in the form of teaching modules. Next, number 1, general information. The module begins with general information about the additional context, emphasizing values like faith, critical thinking, and independence. These values are integrated into learning activities, ensuring students start and season with a prayer, engage in critical analysis of text, and independently find information related to online review. Okay, next. Number 2, content of the module. Next. Content of the modules. Session B of the teaching module provide a comprehensive structure for the learning process. It outlines the core elements and activities that will be covered through the teaching period. Okay, number 3, learning objective. Next. Then in the module contain there a learning objective that explain how students understand and create fictional text, especially online review. They must be able to analyze, discuss, create, and present text effectively. This model also focuses on developing student skill in using appropriate language features for online review. Okay, next, number 4, main components. Next, point C is about material to be studied. Furthermore, in the material to be studied, there are main components, namely, number 1, language feature for writing online review, positive and negative adverb, correct past tenses, descriptive language. Number 2, skill development, reading comprehension, writing online review, and the last, presentation and feedback. Learning activity. Next is about the learning activity are divided into phases. to grade students from understanding the basic to creating and presenting their own online review. Activities involve group discussion, analysis, designing plans, and receiving feedback. Number one, phase one, identifying key question. Group analysis of explain review. Number two, phase two, designing and planning. Group discussion on creating review using Canva. Number three, monitoring progress. Teacher guidance and monitoring. Uh, phase 4. Phase number 4. Testing outcomes, presentation, and feedback. Number 4. The last. Reflecting and evaluation. Reflective question and feedback. Okay, number 6, assessment. Next, next point D is about assessment involves both informative and summative method. Students are evaluated based on their participation, collaboration, creativity, and the quality of their written and presented review. Feedback is provided to help students improve continuously. Okay, the last, number 7, teacher and student reflection journal. Next, teacher and student reflection journal. The teacher reflects on the learning process by answering questions about student involvement, the suitability of learning steps, student responses to teaching strategies, and the use of media and technology. Students reflect on the learning by answering questions about what they mastered, or what they didn't, and other aspects of their learning experience. Conclusion: this teaching model provides a comprehensive guide for both teacher and student to navigate the process of learning, creating, and evaluating online review effectively, ensuring and engaging and additional experience. That's art. Maybe that's what I can explain. Thank you.
This time I want you.